Club, back with another British English lesson. Today I'm going to teach you 7 advanced vocabulary words that you can use in your daily conversations. Using advanced vocabulary helps you sound more professional, more intelligent, and you can get your message across clearer. So I'll teach you 7 advanced British English vocabulary words. First, I'll teach you the words and how to pronounce them. Stay tuned to the end of the lesson where I'll give you a few examples how to use these vocabulary words in example sentences. All right, my lovelies, let's get started. So today we're going to do some more descriptive words to describe people. Advanced vocabulary, my lovelies. Alright, if you haven't done already, be sure to hit the bell icon up there or down there somewhere. YouTube may have moved it so that you can find out when we've got new content. If you hit that bell icon, you can keep up with the new lessons we produce. Alright, my lovelies, if you find the video useful, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Helps me, helps the channel, and actually helps you too. Alright, my lovelies, let's get started with our lesson. 7 advanced British English vocabulary words for you to use in your daily conversations. This lesson is really for anybody, but in particular, it's to do with professional English, business English, entrepreneur English. All right, my lovelies, let's get started. First one I've picked for you guys is outspoken. Outspoken. An outspoken person is very direct with what they say. They really don't care what anybody else thinks. All right, guys, word number 2 is greedy. Greedy. A greedy person always wants more. They're never satisfied. It's normally in relation to money. They want more money. Word 3, conceited. Conceited, or conceited if you say it fast like a nutty Brit. Conceited. They kind of think they're better than others. Not a good quality to have, but some people are that way. All right, that's conceited. Word 4. 4, guys, is adaptable. That's adaptable. An adaptable person is able to fit in with any situation or any use. So that's adaptable. Word 5 is resourceful. That's resourceful. Resourceful. A resourceful person uses creativity and anything around them to solve a task or a problem. So that's resourceful. Guys, is courteous. Courteous. A courteous person is polite and respectful in the way they are, in their manner. A good quality to have, my lovelies. The last word, guys, word number 7 is versatile. That's a versatile person is able to adjust and fit in with any situation. So that's versatile. All right, guys, now we've learned 7 advanced vocabulary words and how to pronounce them. We'll move on and I'll teach you how to use these words in example sentences. Everybody needs to describe people. You can't just say he's a nice person. There's other more descriptive words. Word 1, outspoken. Outspoken. So an outspoken person, they don't care what anybody says. They're going to say it, going to tell it like it is. I'm a little like that. Anyhow, an example sentence using the word outspoken. The speaker at the business conference was rather outspoken with his comments about the future of our company. The speaker at the business conference was rather outspoken with his comments about our company. Example, he has always been an outspoken critic of the way the government operates. He has always been an outspoken critic of the way the government operates. Word 2, greedy. That's greedy. As you know, greedy is someone that is never satisfied. In particular with money, they always want more. So to use that in an example sentence, he has always been rather a greedy person when it comes to sharing money. There's enough for everyone. He has always been rather a greedy person when it comes to sharing money. There's enough for everyone. Some people are greedy. Some people like to share. For example, the project team complained about the greedy executives. The project team complained about the greedy executives. Word 3, conceited. That's conceited. Example sentence using conceited. Conceited man would not stop talking about himself. The conceited man would not stop talking about himself. All right, my lovelies, just practice these one at a time with the example sentences. Perfect your pronunciation and usage of this vocabulary. You can pause and stop the video anytime you want to. The hummingbirds are singing big time today. All right, guys, the next word. 4, adaptable. That's adaptable. Adaptable, where you can use what you've got. You can fit into any situation, any function. You can adapt to stuff. Example sentence using the word adaptable. Be adaptable when you're an entrepreneur. Things change really fast. You have to be adaptable when you're an entrepreneur. Things move really fast. Having moved to Great Britain, I became adaptable to their customs and local traditions. Having moved to Great Britain, I became adaptable to their customs and traditions. So that's adaptable. Word 5, resourceful. That's resourceful. So an example sentence using the word resourceful. Our manager is very adaptable and can solve almost any issue. Our manager is very adaptable and can solve almost any issue. Sounds like a wonderful manager, huh? Our manager is very resourceful and can solve almost any problem. Our manager is very resourceful and can solve almost any problem. Another example. The project team will have to be resourceful and rise to the challenge. The project team will have to be resourceful and rise to the challenge. Word 6, courteous. That's courteous. Courteous is where someone is really polite with their manner. Example sentence. A courteous man held the door open for the ladies. The courteous man held the door open for the ladies. Another example sentence. We must remain courteous to our customers despite their demands. We must remain courteous to our customers despite their demands. Customers can be a bit complicated and a bit awkward. If you want to keep their business, remain courteous. All right, guys, word number 7, versatile. That's versatile. It's got a V sound at the beginning. Versatile. Example sentence. Our new employee is very versatile. He'll finish the project on time. Our new employee is versatile. He will finish the project on time. Another example, he was a great HR manager and was very versatile with everybody that he dealt with. He was a great HR manager and was very versatile with people that he dealt with. All right, my lovelies, that's you 7 advanced British English vocabulary words you can use in your professional life, business life, whether you're an entrepreneur or just someone at home using English, learning English. Improve your vocabulary, my lovelies. Get your message across. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please give the video the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon. If you haven't already, leave a comment down there and I'll get back to you. You can find us on Facebook. We've got a group and a page. The links are down there as well. Of course, you're subscribed to the YouTube channel and you can follow me on Instagram. And we've got some training courses. So thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll be back with another one. This one was part 3. I'll make another lesson. I'm going to do 10 in all, so you'll have a ton of advanced vocabulary. All right, my lovies, thanks for your time and attention. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.